You sure already knew it was coming. But if you didn't, it's because you didn't watch the other video. If you seen that video when I was passing by some creamers at Walmart. Yep, I went back and got it. So I'm going to top it off with. I also tried it in another video, so make sure you see that if you have not seen it yet. Yeah, I keep forgetting. I'm going to reuse my brown butter, finish your salt. But if you don't have this, use your regular salt. Crush up a little bit of Biscotti cookies. Put that in here. Okay, I'm pouring some of my milk. Okay, I'm gonna make my cold first. I'm gonna put in my Biscotti, a little bit of brown butter, salt, and my heavy whipping cream. The Biscotti, I was gonna crush it and just put it at the top, but I'm like, okay, I'm just gonna mix it with the almonds. that makes sense, because they're both gonna be garnishes on tops. I'll mix up hard when they ain't got to. If it's broke, you need to fix that. I'm gonna go ahead and pour the coffee mixture. Smells good. Alright, now I'm gonna go ahead and add my cold foam. I don't like when these ices be coming all the way out like that. Ice don't want to go down like it's supposed to. I see why people do using the little ice. Because you want to be the star of the show and you need to stay in your place. You feel me? All you need to do is just keep the coffee cool. Stop trying to show up and show out. Because I'm tired of you messing up my thing. In Mariah Carey voice. It's time. Don't do that. Don't do that again. Ever again. In your life. Okay, I was gonna try this. It smells like the. If you see out there the reviews for the syrups, and I smelled them like the ones that had those sugar free. I'm getting a little bit of that smell. I'm not really getting almond. Let me taste it. It is good. It's close. This actually tastes like, it's a little different because this is some almond kind. This is a butter pecan, so it's gonna be like a little bit of a different flavor profile, but you know, it's close. But you can tell you can put that in some coffee though. Alright, let me get into this. Even though I'm a human being, enough forcing around. Okay. This ain't bad. I like the crunchiness of the almonds and just a little bit of the Biscotti on top of it. I'm tasting mainly the almonds because I had more of it. It's just sweet enough. Like a person don't too much like sweets like that, this will be perfect for them. If you watch my channel, yeah. So I'll probably use like a pinch. No, not a pinch. Like a teaspoon of brown sugar, but it's not bad. And it is sweeter than some of the places I go sometimes. For instance, some place I went recently, when they put to me, put sugar in there, but it didn't. I ain't trying to call y'all out, but I am. I give it like a 9.8. Still good, but not 10 because I don't have to have as much sugar, but hey, it is what it is.